Let's image you are walking into the workplace where every corner radiates positively, revolutionize how culture impact to innovation. It's not just about the climbing the corporate ladder, but ensuring that this ladder leads the meaningful vistas. 94% employees would stay longer at the company that actually fosters their career growth. Hi everyone, you are watching Workforce Flywheel Show of VSHR Pro Academy. As I introduced with before, I work for the technologies and the service and manufacturing in many years in the role of the SR director. So now I'm managing the SR teams in the cross country for the software product company, that the C2C platform company. Yeah. So that's my role, and I have a lot of many years to working in SR field up to now. So yes, that is my experience in SR field. Let's image you are walking into the workplace where every corner radiates positively. So where every policy support your career growth and where your personal life is respected as much as your professional contributions. This is not just an ideal, it's the foundation of a thriving workplace. So I focus today is on three critical elements. First is workplace culture, and the next is career development and the work-life balance. Firstly, work culture is not just a concept, it's a backbone of the thriving workplace. So think about the tech, a huge company that I know that just a Google, they have a revolutionized how culture impact to innovation by allowing engineers and employees spend 20% of their time to personal project leading innovation like for the company and a lot of the projects that's meaningful for the clients. So the workplace culture, this is very important in the first of the employees experience about the career development. So it's not just about the climbing the corporate ladder, but ensuring that this ladder leads the meaningful vistas recently. So I studied the LinkedIn report underscore that have a 94% employees would stay longer at the company that actually fosters their career growth. So this is the vital element too. Finally, the work-life balance that I mentioned too. This isn't about leaving work at the office, but seamlessly integrating work in our life in a healthy manner. So, according to the recent study in Vietnam, and I was research about that topic too. So, companies with the flexible working policies have seen around a 25% or more reduction in turnover rate. So, for conclusions, they aren't just factors. With the three main factors that I mentioned about, in my opinion, I think they are the pillar on which we build the resilience and success of our organizations, enhancing the employee experience profoundly. Yes, thank you.
Are you aiming to make your workforce more productive, effective? Then I have a great news for you. You can assess your workforce by using our scorecard to get insights on your workforce and also get different industry benchmark and also get our expert advices as well too. Check the description section of this video and you will find out a set of scorecards specializing for providing different kind of assessment for your workforce. There is another good news. There is no fees to using those scorecards. So go ahead and make the best use of them. And if you still need more help from us, there's another link there to book an appointment with us too. Click that link and book an appointment. We would love to have a conversation to help you achieve your workforce success. Are you a business or HR leader? Then this is an excellent challenge for you. So don't forget to subscribe right now so you don't miss out the next valuable insights and tools and guidelines from us.